Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them. Big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Always happy, who know the reason. Thank God I'm glad right now. Come back and watch a vlog right now. So big up me G's them, big up me G's them. Just having myself find some more that please them.
So vlog world, right about now we are here. We are here. We're going to the outer side of the outer door. The man just blocked me. For me drop vlog world. We have birthday in the place.
Cool, man.
Earth strong in the place.
Up there.
One up in the place.
On them.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
For those who don't know, let me explain to you.
Right.
I'm a famous engineer this. We deal with the music and thing, him do mixing and mastering too. So you can link him up and thing.
Soul Star Productions.
She Instagram right there, say.
But I'm a famous engineer, so any music on the ear now, I mix and master them. You see it, so.
Man.
Get at him.
You wanna look light skin.
I know I'm beautiful.
Oh Lord, what's it?
Yeah, man.
Yo, what's Sunday?
Blue bear. Blue bear.
Blue bear. And we have blue right here, blue wipery.
Talk to Bubba.
Blue.
Bubba talk to you.
Wipery. Go on like you know see me, you hear? Go on. Yo, go on.
Blue.
Blue kick all your cup.
Hey, Blue, come here. Come here.
Watch him face.
Hey, come here, come here. Come, hey, load the man, hello. Go. Go.
By what? And pop out in like a retarded teeth them. Blues clothes. I know you want to ease me. Yo, Blue, me have water for you. Blue. Blues clothes. So right now we are here. And you don't know, so my brother from New York come link me Hollywood in the building. But you know you're a hypocrite though. Because when he post a picture and he must say we are show off for New York people. I know him down here show off.
You have to know the cold at me right now, not even cold. Howl.
Howl. Howl. Don't show the earth strong already.
Watch out. Ready.
Alright, him just pick up a 1-0.
Yeah, him just get 1-0.
How much I get?
You will get 6. Him will get 6. What me say, man? Brother, I want to control. Brother, I eat that much. Brother, I eat that much. This is on my side now. Hey, on my side.
Not 1, not 2, not 3, 4.
You're hearing that one, right?
No, come on my side, man.
What, you want to use what?
Let me use my side. Yo, I eat that side. I eat that food. You give up, brother? Give up my food in this shit, brother. Yo. Let me use my side. No, let me use my side. I'm bet $5. Yo. What? You keep on a stand up. Brother. Brother, come $5. God, don't want nobody control that. Yo, I want can't score for me like that. How will you stop that? How will you stop that? Really and true. Really and true. Alright, people.
People you call for me, dog?
Eh?
People you call for me?
Somebody has to want to. Oh, what you chat about? Start up this, the real way.
Yeah, man, find your right team, man. Ronaldo no look too happy and you want to score more. Yo, that look neatly cool. It's a winner, FamousSosick.
Yeah, that's it, man. That goal is sick, yourself. End match.
It can be my thumbnail for the vlog. Watch it. Hey, Solar. Name or have news for you, dog.
Hey, Solar. I want to live my kick off name. No. I'll take my control on that. Yeah. Something wrong. They came and never set up perfectly fine. They came and set up their one side thing. Y'all trash that one.
Oh, yeah, the road too? Blessings, my brother. Yeah, man. Definitely, dog. If you fall down here enough time, so we can just make be a video. Definitely, dog. Definitely.
We're not put up nothing. Now Shane I go shoot up next week.
Oh, Shane, they link me to for forward down here, you know.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah. Because last time when they down here, we never get to link up. Yeah, man, we have to close the vlog properly, you know. So right now we're there. All the road about for Dubac Road.
Cut out, right?
Yeah, go back to New York when Sunday, you go back.
Sunday, I go back to New York.
Up so cool?
Up so Howler the word. Trust me, my brother called me yesterday and said, yo, Jano, I'm envy me right now.
Damn.
Out there, Howler.
Rain a fall later. Yeah, them time, you know, brother. Definitely.
Alright.
Yeah, we're there. So, it's a new vlog, and it's blue feeding time. Like a morning breakfast, you know? Yes, my G, alright, eat your breakfast. And you done, me give you some curry chicken back here. That way all your feel lunchtime. Lunchtime you get curry chicken back here, me G? Alright. Rice and peas or white rice? White rice? Alright, white rice. Veg, no veg. Steam plantain? You weird eat my youth. What kind of steam plantain you talk about? Fried plantain? Alright, me I deal with it, me G. So we're here.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, man.
Welcome to the vlog.
Welcome to the vlog. And for who wanna know, this is Jay, where I make beer tune.
Be a tune. See studio there from yesterday. Last night, I must around what? Around 1 o'clock on the stop record last night.
Yeah, man, around that. I'm about to resume, isn't it?
Today. Yeah. I want to trim.
I got a barbershop still when we're done.
So now that you say you go do yesterday?
Yeah, but I could go now because I remember I already feel done this. Never remember the time anymore. I never wake up.
My free up a bun dog. Bombat.
Where are you, sir? More free up. Where are you, boy?
Yeah, bun a fool in this dog. Yeah, so there. Bun and cheese time. I go consume some bread and cheese. Because I no consume bun. I no like nothing but bun. I no give bun. I no take bun. I no eat bun. Nothing to do with bun. Yeah, so there we are doing for the vlog. Tea time. 4:20. Big up on yourself.
Anything you want. Just tell me what you do, man, and I do it, man.
Should I make you keep this up when you're not famous? Because we don't have a paper, you know. Big work, old boots.
I thought you were saying booth.
I forget everything. are on set of Old Town Country Spliff. We are on set of Old Town Country Spliff, you know. This look dark. Yeah. Happy 420. Everybody ablaze. Yeah, ablaze. Travis ablaze. I'm alone now ablaze. I'm alone now ablaze. The boss of police today, what you say? Oh, everything left on there. Yeah, man. Protect and serve. Lord, clad. And none, what you call it? Nunchucks. Yo, people are forced an accident type of police. Yeah, I mean, if you come out of the lake, you some more. The breeze out there is lovely.
Is the people that fish out there?
No, I signed it right. They still say no fishing. Cowboy and police. Cowboy and police.
I have vlog, we never know say I have vlog. So now we are behind the scene on this Instagram video.
Yes.
With John. Also known J, the girl named J Juice.
The girl named J Juice. Police officer for right now, serve and protect.
Yeah.
With him what? Nunchucks.
Get a shot now, what is it?
Road.
We're off the park, we're on the road and now. You see me? But definitely not the last, is it?
Right, right. Cool. Be a hit make, video shoot. I'm gonna look out for it right now. Mad move. So right now I'm there in the kitchen right now. I'm showing you what I'm gonna cook. I'm gonna deal with some swimmers.
I'm gonna cook crab.
I have one bunch of everything we have to make. My swimmers and everything. See them there? Chabas are gonna cook crab. Go here. I know Jamaican crab, I like retarded. Something them retarded one. Yeah. I hate you. Oh, Ocha, you're bad. Hey, wait till hot water touch you. You're gonna know who bad. Who bad? Who else bad? Wait till hot water touch you now. Wait till hot water touch you now, you're gonna know who bad. Yes, sir. Me have everything for fish now. I don't know how. My mom showing you how me do. My mom showing you how me do my steam fish me. Cut up everything and then put it in the pot, yeah. Make it go and cook down in a dish. Then we put the fish in the foil paper, then put it in the oven. So yeah, put it and we do it.
I know. Ugly man over there, so it's gonna burn a little. You alright?
Yeah, I'm putting some near to me hand, dog. Yo, the fool ain't used to hot water and even run, watch it. See about yourself. Something wrong with you or what?
So wrong with it. Then dead quick.
Yeah, dog, like he used to. Something wrong, something right. No, you ever bought something wrong, something right.
He bite me a while ago, man. And get a hold of me.
Yeah.
And you go put up a fight.
Let him go. Watch him fly, he flick. Yeah man, no. Fool, you flick the wrong way. Me just cut up my carrot them. Trevor still a deal with him.
Crab water. It's almost done. Have an hour more.
So you don't know say everything steam you know. The fish them on here so well steam. Cause I tell them say I gotta do everything separate then throw them up on the fish. Fish them on here so well steam. Just put them in an oven for probably 15 minutes. Crackers them well soak up on, you know. So food is officially done. Right now, I just gonna share and consume my food. And then link on up later. You know what I mean? We're there and we are doing it. Vlog world, mad world.